folks, how are we today? Welcome back to the channel. Nick here. Today I'm on a big shift, dusk till dawn today. Should I say dawn till dusk? Belleknowes Waverley to start with, Route 19, onto Ocean Grove, Ross Creek, Route 3 after that, then on to St Kilda Halfway Bush, etc. later on this afternoon. So I'm in bus fleet 5005, 2017 Kiwi bus built Volvo B7R. So I'm just out of service at the moment as I drive up to the terminus at Belleknowes to start the day. So I'll let you guys come along for the ride. Welcome back to the channel. As I said, thanks very much to my new subscribers, I really appreciate it. And if you're enjoying the channel, give us a thumbs up. And we'll talk to you soon. Cheers. Hey guys, welcome back. Just up at the Waverley Terminus, and just here for another few minutes, then carry on my loop. But I just didn't get a chance this morning to do a quick walk around of the bus. As I said, fleet number 5005, Volvo B7R, Kiwi bus builders, 2017 model. So you would have seen this these buses quite a few times on my videos. So the usual customary walk around the bus. So 42 seated, 13 standing. Nice morning here in Dunedin. Bit of a cool breeze, but going to be a fairly nice day. It's been a nice spring here. So I've done my morning checks already. Everything's looking good in there. Nice new belts on there. Destination Belleknowes, that's where we're heading to. Okay folks, I'll leave it at that for now. I will get some footage a bit later in the day as well. I am doing a couple of different routes today, as I mentioned earlier. Mainly in the Volvo B7. I am in a design line of Limbus, I think, for a couple of rounds later. So we'll get a view of that. Other than that, again, thanks everybody who subscribed recently. I really appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying the content, and we'll talk to you again soon. Cheers. How are we going, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Nick here. Been a few hours since last spoke to you. I'm up at the halfway bush terminus here in the hill suburbs of Dunedin. I'm on fleet 5006, another 2017 Volvo B7R Kiwi bus built model. Pretty nice sort of a day here actually. I'm just going to do a bit of a walk around the coach. So well into spring here in Dunedin. So folks, I'm on this run for the rest of the day, and I'm in buses, the same model buses as I've been in today already, so I'm probably going to leave it there for today. I hope you've enjoyed the content. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and big thanks to all my new subscribers. If you have enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Cheers.